Hi guys, Sean here from Level 12 Auto. Just wanted to demo the 3x lock feature that we've unlocked on this Hyundai Elantra. It is a push to start vehicle with the smart key, so we can build it right into the fob. So if you press lock 3 times, the vehicle will remote start. This one has been programmed to the customer's request to run for 15 minutes. And once it does remote start, you can actually take over. So it won't shut off like some other vehicles do. So once you unlock the doors, you hop in, you push to start button twice, and then you can press the brake and shift gears and go on your way. We can also shut it off right through the factory fob by pressing lock 3 more times, and the vehicle will shut off. We can add a smartphone feature to this if you request and you find that you need a lot of range. So if you have any questions, please give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Have a good day.